How to change language in Transit app. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can change your language in the Transit application. One thing you must notice that Transit currently supports several languages including English, French, Spanish, Italian, German, Portuguese, and Dutch. And the way you can change your language in Transit app is by changing your phone's language setting. This is because the app's language is determined by your phone's language setting. For example, on my phone, my language setting is currently English language. That is why the things on my screen and on my app is written in the English language. So for you to change the language of the app, simply adjust the language setting on your phone and then feel free to reach out to translate in any of the languages I've listed out earlier if you have further questions. So it's very, very direct, okay? Just go ahead and change the language of your phone so that you can change the language being displayed on your app as well. Thanks for watching and have a good day.